So here we are, guys, at Sam's Kebab Works. Get it in ya. We're on Plenty Road in Preston. As you can see, it's pretty much just a kebab place. Have a look. This is supposed to be it's 4.7 Google ratings out of 5, so it seems to be all good. So let's go and try out their kebabs. By the way, they're $14, so that's sort of pretty much the norm. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so we're at Sam's Kebab Works, Preston. We've got our kebab. Let's give it a go. So what we're pretty much going to be doing over the next week or two, we're going to try see who's got the best kebabs in the northern suburbs, and it's going to be based naturally on quantity, quality and price. So not bad. Nice flavour, got the garlic sauce, chilli sauce. The bread's sort of like a light pita bread. Not a bad size, $14. Yeah, look, it hasn't blown me away or anything like that, but it's not a bad kebab. $14 these days is sort of about the medium price that you're going to pay. What would I rate it at? Give me one more bite. I'll go with 7.5. I'll go with 7.5. I don't know, for some reason I just thought it was going to be better. The reviews are really good. It's a 4.7 out of 5. It's a kebab. Anything special? No. Is it crap? No. It's good. Not the best kebab I've had, but it's pretty good. Decent enough size. The salad's fresh. The meat's got a nice taste to it. Nothing over the top, but yeah. So anyway, guys, stay tuned. We'll be going to 2 more kebab places, kebab trucks. There's a kebab shop involved, and we'll see how we go with those ones. So we'll see who's got the best kebabs. I'll speak to you soon. Alright guys, so we've got Spaniards Kebabs in Preston. We've ordered our kebab, and so we're just waiting now. Hopefully it shouldn't take too long, and yeah, we'll see what they're like. Alright guys, we've got Spanians Kebabs. Okay, so yep, not a bad size, pretty regular to a lot of them. It's got a bit of weight to it. We got the original Now this was $18. It's a bit different than your normal sort of kebabs, where this is a bit more of a European style. Now unfortunately we are sitting in the car eating these tonight. There was not enough chairs floating around, so let's taste them and see what we think. Not bad. Anyway, I am going to chow down on this, and I will give you my score for value for money once I finish this, guys. Alright guys, we've finished that kebab. Now we'll give that a really good review. Bread was fantastic. They've changed what they're doing with it as well now. They're actually toasting their bread, which is good. Perfect balance between a Turkish bread and a ciabatta roll. It's very light. It's not a heavy bread, and it's not a thin bread. A lot of these places, like the one that we were at Sam's, it was just a real fine pita bread. Not enough substance to it. Plenty of sauce in this. Excuse me. We had the original. You can get the spicy, which I'll probably do that in the future. The meat wasn't your standard kebab meat that you normally will get in most places within Australia. It was still on a kebab, but it's chunks of lamb. It sort of reminded me of a place back in the day in Carlton named Lambs, and they were a Greek place. They used to make a souvlaki, very, very similar. But yeah, had some salad in there. It was pretty good. It smashed the one that we had at Sam's Kebabs Works. Rating, I'd probably give that yeah, it could be bigger. Kebabs these days are not like they used to be. It's like packets of chips, and price goes up, and the amount of chips goes, or crisps, depending where you come from, goes down. Like anything, chocolates, everything. So, but I'd probably say I'd give it an 8.5 to 9, close to a 9, just because it's got a really nice taste to it. And look, to pay that, that $4 more than what we paid at the other place, you absolutely can't go wrong. So, 2 down, 1 to go. The next place that we're going to is a place called Katik. They are in Camberfield in Melbourne, Victoria. They've been there, I think around 50 years now. Still predominantly run by the same people. Now, it's just been a family-run business for a long time. So we will see you there very shortly. Alright guys, so here we are at the famous Katik kebab shop. I think we're just going to go and park this car and go inside and order ourselves one of these kebabs. Okay guys, so we've got our famous Katik kebab. This was $11. Yeah, not a bad size, it's just sort of a regular size. Again, like I've stated, this is your typical original style Turkish kebab. So let's get into it and see what we think of this. You're not shy on the meat. I haven't seen any tomato yet, but got some garlic sauce in there. Anyway guys, I will get stuck into this and I'll leave you a comment in a minute once I finish this off. Alright guys, there was tomato in there, not a great deal, but there was. What do I think? Top quality, always has been at this joint. That's why they're absolutely busy flat out all the time. They've got 4 big kebab machines happening at the same time. It's got its own flavour. Oh gee, it's hard. Look, that first place we went to was pretty average. Spaniards kebabs, fantastic. Price is up there, but consider it, these are $11. So if you're after a traditional kebab, highly recommended. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for your traditional kebab. If you're after something that's a little bit more like a souvlaki slash kebab, Spaniards is the go. So if I have to pick one, going on value, quantity and taste, I'd probably have to go Katik. Just beats Spaniards by that much, because Spaniards is a really good tasty kebab done a little bit different. So yeah, overall I'd probably have to just give it to Katik's, but much respect to Spaniards kebabs. The other place, yeah, you know, looking back at it now, yeah, pretty average. I think I was a bit lenient on scoring them, but yeah, so I'd give them Katik's is the winner. Yeah, pretty much so. But by all means, both Katik's and Spaniards kebabs, give them all a go. Very well worth it, compared to some of the other joints that are out there. Just absolute, you know, garbage, selling garbage food at garbage prices. So that's it guys. I hope you like that little series. Just something a little bit different. We're going to be doing the Great Australian Pie Fight soon, so stay tuned for that one. And if you like what you see, please share, subscribe, and drop a comment in if you want, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks guys.